In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front inner fender wells on this Nissan Rogue. This is going to be located behind the front tires. Let's get into it. We're going to use a 21mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Remove the wheel. I'm going to take this panel off, use a trim tool, take these push pins out. Sometimes they break. Just try to pry those out. Pry the center part out first. And if you need to use a straight blade screwdriver, just pop that one out. And grab the panel, slide it off. I'm going to take these screws out, use a T20 socket. On the back side, we're going to use the same T20 socket for this screw. And then these lower screws, you're going to use a Phillips head. Take these three out. Underneath in the front, we're going to take these screws out, use the T20 socket. And then this little shield is going to come off. Take that off. And these three screws, same T20 socket. And just grab the shield, pull it back a little bit. Underneath on the back side, there's a push pin right here. Just want to grab that with a trim tool or some push pin pliers. Pull that out. This flap right here or this mud guard can stay there. If you want to take it out, you can use a Phillips head screwdriver, but you don't have to. At the top of the wheel well, use the T20 socket, take this screw out. Now we're going to take these push pins out. Just use a trim tool. Pop these out. And down below. Those are all out. I'll pull this trim piece back. I'm just going to use a trim tool. Just pop this out. A little bit of sand coming out. It's okay. Just grab the inner fender well. There's push retainers right here. You can get under here with a trim tool. Just try to pop these out a little bit. Just like that. You're gonna reuse those. Pop those out. And just grab the inner fender well. Just push it down. Just pop it out. And you're going to have some of those on this side. And we're going to use a trim tool. I'll just use a couple trim tools underneath. You're going to pop this out. And just get behind here. Pop these out. Just with the trim tool. And it comes right off. These clips are going to have to be transferred over to the new one. Just grab those. Just pop those out. You just pull them apart a little bit. Take those off. And at the base, we're going to take these clips off. There should be one there. And take these off. Just like that. And these two clips, just use a trim tool. Just get underneath it. Fold those out. And take that one out as well. The clips are gonna have to be transferred over to the new one. Go underneath here. These are the metal ones first. Just from the back side. Just push those on. Do the same with this one. Get this to line up. And these plastic ones up top. Should be 4 of these. We only took 3 off, but there is 4. Now these 3 clips, slide these in place. This center one has the area where the bolt can go through. And the other one. I'm gonna take the inner fender well, just try to get it lined up. Just try to get this lined up in the side. It's gonna go underneath. Might have to make some adjustments. That looks good. Make sure the holes line up. Make sure that's lining up. And in the center, you want to take that screw, make sure that's all lined up. Screw that in. Now take these push pin retainers in. There and right there. And these side panels, you push those in place. And get this to line up. Take that push retainer, push that in there. And the upper one, push that one in place. And take this cover, this trim piece, get that lined up. Pop that in place. I'm gonna put these screws in, pull this in place, get these started, these front 3. And these back ones. For the back ones, you're gonna need this shield. Get this lined up. Get those started. The other 2 screws. And snug those down. And underneath here, get the push pins started. Get that lined up. And this one on the side. Push that in place. Lock it down. Now we're gonna line these push pins up. Get those started. Lock those down. Now take this side cover, get this lined up, get these push pins started, lock it down. Now these 2 push pins, push those in place, and the screws on the side, snug these down. And push this panel back in place, get the screws started, make sure they're all lined up first. Snug those down. Now put the wheel on, get the lug nuts started. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.